Hi, I'm Blair Draxler. I'm an instructional support teacher with the Oshkosh Area School District and the Curriculum and Assessment Team. And in this video, we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to talk about proficiency scoring with your student. So let's just dive right into it. Tip number one, emphasize growth. Proficiency scoring highlights the progress your students are making in their learning journey. When talking to them about their scores, focus on how far they've come and areas that they've excelled. Tip number two, encourage openness. Create an open and non judgmental space where your students feel comfortable discussing their scores. Let them know that it's okay to have questions and concerns. Tip number three, shift the focus. Instead of just talking about the numbers, guide the conversation towards understanding concepts. Ask your students to explain what they've learned and how they can apply their knowledge in real life situations. Tip number four, set goals together. Together, set goals for improvement, whether it's a subject they want to enhance or focus more on, or a specific skill they want to develop. Working together in goals can be motivating and rewarding. Tip number five, normalize mistakes. Remind your student that making mistakes is a natural part of learning. Share stories of your own learning experiences to show that growth comes from challenges. Tip number six, utilize resources. Encourage them to seek help from teachers, classmates, or additional resources if they find certain concepts challenging. Support them in finding strategies that work best for their learning style. Tip number seven, celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate small wins. Whether it's mastering a new skill or demonstrating improved understanding, acknowledge their efforts and their progress. And our last tip, number eight, foster resilience. Teach them the value of resilience and perseverance. Learning is a journey and setbacks are temporary. Encourage them to keep pushing forward. We understand that this shift might require adjustments, but we believe that embracing proficiency scoring will lead to a more holistic and insightful understanding of your students' education. As partners in your child's journey, we're here to provide guidance and support wherever you need it. I hope this video was helpful in helping give you some tips and tricks for talking to your student about proficiency scoring, and I hope to see you in the next video.